Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. And in our last maths class we were doing the chapter patterns. So this is our third class on patterns. So chapter number 5, patterns. So everyone quickly take out your maths NCERT book, chapter 5, page number 35, and also sit with your pencil and eraser. So let's start children. Page number 35. T2 frog. See, have you seen T2 frog? Yes, that green color frog. T2 frog jumps over two numbers and reaches the third number. It jumps from two numbers and reaches the third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. So begin from 1, 2 he has jumped and landed on 3. Then 4, 5 he has jumped and landed on 6. Then where he will land? Yes, 7, 8 he will jump and land on 9. So you have to ring 9, means put a circle around 9. Next, which number he will jump? Yes, 10 and 11 he will jump and land on 12. So 12 you have to ring. In this way you have to complete this question. Okay, wherever T2 frog will jump and land, you have to circle that number. Now coming to the next portion of the page, that same T2 frog, T2 jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the numbers on the stones. So there is no number on the first stone. So, and the second stone is having 28, next is 38. So 10 10 will begin with 18, 28, 38, next is 48. Others you will do yourself. Next, coming to page number 38, number patterns. Let us look at some patterns with numbers. Fill the number in the blank space of each pattern. See, the first one we are having triangles 1, 3, 5, 7. So next, what will be the number there? Now look at the difference between each numbers 1 and 3. What is the difference? Is 3 minus 1? Yes, 2. Then 5 minus 3, 2. So each from one number to next number the difference is 2. That means you have to add 2 to get the next number. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 plus 2 how much children? Write it quickly. Next, come to the next problem. Next figure begins with 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So which will be the next number? I think so it is very easy. You are skipping here 10, 10. So I will not tell the answer. You write it very quickly. Yes. Come to the third figure. What is the number starting with? These are the lotus leaves floating on water. First number is 24, 27, next 30, 37, you have 33, sorry, you have to follow the arrows. Then 36. Again I am saying it is repeating from 24, then 27, then 30, then 33, then 36. Next, which number you will write? See how much it is keeping? 24 to 27. Yes, 3, 3. If you add 3 to the first number, you get the second number. So if we add 36 with 3, what will be the answer? Write it very quickly. Yes. Now come to the last figure. Here you are having some flowers, orange and pink flowers. So the first flower has the number 5, next 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then what number? Yes, it is increasing 5, 5. So 30 plus 5, you will write the answer. Next 40, then the next thing you will complete it yourself. Okay children. Now coming to the last page, that is page number 37. Read and write what comes next. This is your homework. In all the 3 classes you have learned so many patterns. So I think you can do it yourself. Okay. Now we will learn a new type of pattern called growing pattern. So this is the growing pattern. See the boat here having one triangle. Next figure you see having two triangles. Next figure, boat with three triangles. So which will be the fourth figure here? If we follow the pattern, which will be the fourth figure here? Yes, children? Yes, the fourth figure will be with four triangles, a boat with four triangles. So this is an example of a growing pattern. See students, this is another example of a growing pattern. Here you see I have drawn a flower. First it is having one petal, second figure two petals, then third figure I don't know, then fourth figure having four petals. So what will be here? A flower having with, yes, three petals. Now see children, this is the answer figure, flower having three petals. So in this way you have to learn the growing patterns. These all patterns you have to do in your copy and practice them. Now look at this set of pattern. Here this is another form of growing pattern. Here it is in reverse order. You can see it is in reverse order. So children, this question I will not solve. You will solve it by yourself. Okay. So which will be, what figure will be here, you will do yourself. Okay children. Now revision. So what we have learned about patterns? Patterns are formed when some decorative design, shape, alphabet or number is repeated in a particular manner. Now coming to the homework portion, page number 37 of your book is your homework. So thank you students for watching.